Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Infura for Web3 RPC and API keys, full guide step by step clearly. To log into Infura for Web3 RPC and API keys, first, open your web browser. Go to the official Infura website at infura.io. Once the page loads, locate the Sign Up button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. Fill in the required fields with your information, including your email address and a strong password. After filling in your details, click on the Create Account button. You will receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Check your inbox for the confirmation email from Infura. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, return to the Infura website. This time, click the Login button in the top right corner. Enter your registered email address and password in the provided fields. Click the Login button to access your Infura dashboard. Once logged in, you will be taken to your project overview. To create a new project, click on the Create New Project button. Fill in the project name and description. Select the desired Ethereum network you wish to connect with. Once all fields are completed, click on the Create button. Your new project is now created and visible in your dashboard. Click on your project to access its settings and configuration. Here, you will find your unique project ID and project secret. To generate your API keys, navigate to the Settings tab. Copy the project ID for your RPC connection. You can now use the project ID as your API key in your Web3 applications. For further API keys, consider the options available under the Keys section in your project settings. Remember to securely store your project secret as it should not be shared publicly. With your API keys ready, you are all set to use Infura for Web3 development. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.